as we are going through these problems, okay, and you're going to have to do this. You're going to have to do this for WebAssign. You're going to have to do this, okay, when we have another entrance slip tomorrow that will be scored. But let's look at this, and let's look at our writing nuclear decay equations. So the first thing we have to do is I have to determine what type of an equation I am dealing with. So basically what I have happening is I have nickel 14, okay, and it is losing an electron. So as I look at the different types, what am I looking for? Well, number one, if it's alpha decay, I'm looking for an alpha particle. Do I have an alpha particle being involved here? I do not. Okay? If it's at beta decay, I am looking for losing an electron or losing a beta particle. That could be it, couldn't it? Because I am losing an electron. As I look at electron capture, look at your equation for electron capture. It is gaining electron on the reactant side, correct? Am I doing that here? I am not. Look at positron emission. That is losing a positron, which is what would be considered the positive component or the positive partner of an electron. So am I doing that? Am I losing a positron? I am not. So what type of an equation is this? It is a beta decay. So this should be beta decay. Now, on a beta decay, I have to figure out what is going on here. Well, I can see just by my numbers here that I have 14. What's 7 minus an electron? What's 7 minus 1? 6, right? So what is element number 6? Take out your periodic tables. We're going to need those. What's element number 6? Carbon. So there I have my beta decay. Okay, this is carbon 14, the beta decay. Now, my next one. I look at this problem and I say, okay, what do I have going on here? I went from 238 to 234. Well, that should ring something in your head right there that I'm losing, that I have 4 and 2 and a helium. So what is this decay? That's alpha decay. That's an alpha particle. Okay? So I think alpha particles are the easiest one because you're just looking for that 4-2 helium. Okay? Now I look at the next one. Oxygen went from 15 to 15, so the top number stayed the same. The bottom number went from 7 to 8. Okay? The bottom number is at 8, it was at 7. So it had to gain 1, right? Because 7 plus 1 is 8. So what is this right here? Which one is this? Look at your notes. Which one has the 0 plus 1? Positron emission. Okay? Now the next one. The next one. I see this guy right here. Is that one in the numerator? Or is that one in, or excuse me, numerator. Check, check. Is that one in the reactants or the products? In the products. So when we are losing electron, what are we dealing with? What are we dealing with when we're losing an electron? Beta. So this is beta decay. So we have beta decay. So what's going to happen? 32 is going to be my top number. What's my bottom number going to be? Okay? What's my bottom number going to be? My answer is 15. What minus 1 gives me 15? 16. What's element number 16? Sulfur? Moving on. Okay? Another one here. This one should say, uh-oh. Okay, uh-oh. What is going on here, number 1? Okay? And number 2, I see it's happening in the reactants, right? I see it's happening on the reactant side. So to get from 105 to 105 is nothing. To get from 47 to 46, what has happened? 47 to 46, what's happened? I'm minus 1. Okay? So what is this? Huh? This is electron capture. Okay? Electron capture. Now the next one. Okay? I see the plus. I see the plus in the products. What should that tell me right away? The plus in the products tells me what right away? Positron. Positron emission. What is 20 plus 1? 21. What is 40 plus 0? What's element number 21? Scandium SC, right? Okay. Now the last one. I already know what it is, don't I? What is it? Alpha decay. How do I know that? Here's the alpha particle, right? So, what am I doing to get that? 244 minus 4 is 240. 94 minus 2 is 92. What's element 92? Uranium, right? Uranium.